Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Throwlight and Apache Kafka tutorials. Let's understand what is this Apache Kafka. Apache Kafka was originated at LinkedIn and later became an open source Apache project in 2011. Kafka is written in Scala and Java. Apache Kafka is a publish-subscribe based fault-tolerant messaging system. It is fast, scalable and distributed by design. In big data, an enormous volume of data is used. Regarding data, we have two main challenges. The first challenge is how to collect large volume of data, and the second challenge is to analyze the collected data. To overcome these challenges, you must need a messaging system. Kafka is designed for distributed high throughput systems. Kafka tends to work very well as a replacement for a more traditional message broker. In comparison to other messaging systems, Kafka has better throughput, built-in partitioning, replication, and fault tolerance, which makes it a good fit for large-scale message processing applications. Let's understand what is a messaging system. A messaging system is responsible for transferring data from one application to the other. So the application can focus on the data but not worry about how to share it. Distributed messaging is based on the concept of reliable message queuing. Messages are queued asynchronously between client applications and messaging system. Two types of messaging patterns are available. One is point-to-point and other is publish-subscribe messaging system. Most of the messaging patterns follow publish-subscribe messaging system. Nothing but PubSub. Point-to-point messaging system. In a point-to-point system, messages are persisted in a queue. One or more consumers can consume the messages in the queue. But a particular message can be consumed by maximum of one consumer only. Once a consumer reads a message in the queue, it disappears from that queue. The typical example of this system is an order processing system, where each order will be processed by one order processor, but multiple order processors can work as well at the same time. Publish-subscribe messaging system. In publish-subscribe messaging system, messages are persisted in a topic. Unlike point-to-point system, consumers can subscribe to one or more topic and consume all the messages in that topic. In publish-subscribe system, message producers are called publishers and message consumers are called subscribers. For example, let's consider Dish TV, which publishes different channels like sports, movies, music, etc. And anyone can subscribe to their own set of channels and get them whenever the subscribe channels are available. Now let's understand what is Kafka. Apache Kafka is a distributed publish-subscribe messaging system and a robust queue that can handle high volume of data and enables you to pass messages from one endpoint to other. Kafka is suitable for both offline and online message consumption. Kafka messages are persisted on the disk and replicated within the cluster to prevent data loss. Kafka is built on top of Zookeeper synchronization service. It integrates very well with Apache Storm and Spark for real-time streaming data analysis. Benefits of Kafka are reliability, scalability, durability, and performance. Kafka is very fast and guarantees zero downtime and zero data loss. It is a unified platform for handling all the real-time data feeds. It supports low latency message delivery and gives guarantee for fault tolerance in the presence of mission failures. It has the ability to handle a large number of diverse consumers. Kafka is very fast. performs 2 million writes per second. It passes all the data to the disk, which essentially means that all the writes go to the page cache of the OS. This means it's very efficient to transfer data from page cache to the network socket. In our next video, we'll learn regarding fundamentals of Kafka. If you like this video, please share with your friends and don't forget to subscribe our channel Throwlight.